Namaste. My name is Rui Simra. I'm International Meditation Master. Today I want to speak about yachting and Dubai for beauties to earn big money. So I got all the time from YouTube such videos, and I had to look inside of it. So it is not a coincidence. Dirty money. I ask you. A frog cleaned the mud from the coin that he found on the bottom of the well and thought, who cares? Money is money. How to make money in a big way and get great connections to become wealthy and famous. And this is a question for women and so on, and for males, and beauties can do so much better and easier. Okay, but it has a price. No? If beautiful ladies have a lot of Instagram fans, they get targets from the wealthy people to come to Dubai or to do yachting. That's so simple. No? For 1 or 2 days in Dubai with free shopping and free flights in business class, they earn $30,000 to $50,000. Is it something for you? All people know Meghan Markle, spouse of Prince Harry. I assume. She had done yachting for big money and a good connection to the show industry. And so she met Prince Harry when doing yachting. So the downside of this business is suicide or dying from drug and overdoses. And that rate is really high. The contracts are straightforward about what service they have to deliver to earn that money. Before they go, they know exactly for what they get the money. There is no excuse, no excuse. You sign this. And even before you, 1 hour before you fly, they ask the same question. Will you do that? Things is over now. The beauties are responsible for their life. The beauties can choose from all kinds of service, including perverse sex. If they can deliver that service without taking hard drugs, without getting traumatized, without being money and fame addicted, and enjoy socializing with wealthy and famous people from around the people, then it would be a perfect opportunity to earn money. The best would be if they enjoy their service and save the money to invest the money in something that makes sense. This makes sense. If you cannot do it, then let it. Simple, let it. Today we know also in the porn industry is the suicide rate and drug addiction high. So I don't have anything against that. You can do it, but only when you are clean, don't take drugs, and don't see the things so seriously, and so on. But if you can't do it from your inside, let it. It's fast money, great opportunities, okay? But if you can't do it, then let it. Thank you that I could speak to you, and bye.